This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB and Redbus.
The Fame Game.
Today's theme is an interesting one, the Fame Game. Well, joining me today is Shreyans Mittal, who is from the Technology Development Department based out of Gurgaon, and he happens to be a painter. Shreyans, it is such a pleasure to welcome you on the show.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you so much.
पेंटर हो आप, मतलब बचपन से ही पेंट करते आ रहे हो, क्या ये टैलेंट जो आप में है आपने तभी जान लिया था?
So मैं बचपन से ही कर रहा हूँ. So I was very young when I was awarded a prize in school in a drawing competition. I won the first prize.
Wow.
And then my parents started encouraging me to, oh, you are, and it got very much, a lot of appreciation. Before that, I had never been, I have to paint, I have to draw. But gradually I picked that practice and I have been painting ever since. Drawing pehle karta tha, fir bada hua to painting start kar di.
Nice.
And there was a time when I was very young, I was making at least one drawing every day. So that doesn't happen anymore. But there are times when I was trying to do at least one painting every week. So abhi utna bhi nahi ho pa rahe, but yeah, I still love it and I would love to do it as and when I find time.
Oh, that's so good यार श्रेयांश. पर फिर आप आर्टिस्ट फुल फ्लेजेड क्यों नहीं बने? क्या आपका स्टूडियो है? अगर है तो आप, या नहीं भी होगा तो कैसे मैनेज करते हो? इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में ज़रूर बात करेंगे. इट्स द फेम गेम विद श्रेयांश मित्तल एंड yeah, he's a wonderful painter like he said.
1, 2, 3, 4.
ब्रो, पीपीटी बना ली? अब मूड भी बना लो फन करने का हमारे साथ.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
The Fame Game.
This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie and from the Technology Development Department, it's Shreyans Mittal. इनके फेमस होने का एक बहुत ही बड़ा जरिया है एंड दैट इज़ हिज टैलेंट विच इज़ पेंटिंग. तो ड्राइंग उन्होंने काफ़ी छोटी उम्र से ही शुरू किया था एंड उसके बाद ही इज़ कंटिन्यूसली बीन पेंटिंग. आई मीन दैट्स अमेजिंग. यू एवर थॉट ऑफ टेकिंग इट अप प्रोफेशनली कि आप आर्ट में या स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में इसी को आगे बढ़ाएंगे? कभी सोचा था?
Definitely. So at one time I wanted to be an artist, full-time artist, and but then the realities of the world struck, and my parents told me कि बेटा इसमें बहुत struggle है. जी. So if you want to continue painting, and you should have some other career as well. And I was very good in studies, so I continued with that. Became an engineer, and have been a software engineer. So
oh, lovely.
That's how the career part happened. But one thing I was somewhere painting, I feel also helps me keep going on. It's a very good.
It's very good therapy.
Yeah, it's a very good therapy, and it's very relieving. मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आता है. So I love to do watercolor painting, and when the color flows on the sheet, तो बड़ा ही सुंदर textures होते हैं जो बाद में सूखने के बाद नहीं रहते sheet पे. I actually enjoy them a lot. That's very meditative for me.
Absolutely, I completely understand, because even in therapy sessions or even for people who are full of anxiety, usually you're either asked to journal or you are asked to draw or paint. So it's something that really does release a lot of those stressful hormones and kind of helps you calm down. And you have that as a talent and you do that almost every other day when you find the time. I think it's beautiful. Have you also happened to teach anybody how to draw and paint? If you have cousins in the family or friends who come and say, you know what, you do a good job, why don't you teach us too?
Oh yes, actually yes. So it was a very common practice. कुछ टाइम पहले तक, अब इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है. And most of my I'm the youngest in my family, so my cousins have kids who have also grown old now. So but when the kids were younger, so everyone was sent to me that go and learn painting from him.
Oh, that's
so
amazing.
That used to happen a lot in the family. And otherwise I haven't taught anyone, but I know a lot of people, and there's a community of artists, and we keep interacting, keep learning from each other.
Nice.
Hello Trippers, I am Divakar Parikh and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
The Fame Game.
Shreyans Mittal is with me. He's a painter and this is the Fame Game. Do you put up your work on Instagram or other social media platforms?
Oh, I try to. I actually feel like, oh, I have to put all my works on Instagram. Then I lose track, I lose pace, and now there's a big pile of works which I have not posted on Instagram. But I do have a profile. उसपे बहुत सारा काम डला हुआ है, but recent काम नहीं डला है. And in fact, recently there is this international watercolor contest which was held, and they selected 1,000 paintings from across the world, and I was lucky to get selected. My painting is getting exhibited in Bologna in Italy in April.
क्या बात है, आप जा रहे हो कि नहीं देखने के लिए?
नहीं, so I'm not going there. Yeah, like I would definitely go. I'd love to go maybe next year or some later time.
That is amazing. Talk more about this, but right now it's time for the GK quiz. Are you ready for it, Shreyans?
Sure.
Okay, the first question I want to ask you, which is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
That's correct. What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius.
That is correct. Which shape has 3 sides?
Triangle.
Which month has 28 days normally?
February.
What do bees make?
They make a lot of things. They make sound as well. But probably honey.
Yeah, that is a correct answer. Which sport is known as a gentleman's game?
Cricket.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Which bird is known for mimicking human speech?
Oh, that's parrot.
That is a parrot. What color do you get when you mix red and white?
Oh, that's easy. It's pink.
And the last question is, how many continents are there in the world?
7.
That is correct. Oh my God. GK pick करके तो बिल्कुल सही काम किया है श्रेयांश.
पीपीटी और चैट जीपीटी में फर्क समझ नहीं आता?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Go MMT Radio. Hashtag go.
The Fame Game.
This is Go MMT Radio with your host Annie. I am with Shreyans Mittal on the Fame Game. और फेमस ये इसीलिए है क्योंकि ये पेंटर है और बहुत ही अच्छा काम करते हैं. इनफैक्ट इन्होंने अभी मेंशन किया कि उनकी पेंटिंग जो है, वन ऑफ द पेंटिंग्स हैज गॉट सिलेक्टेड एंड विल बी शोइंग एट एन एग्जीबिशन इन इटली. यू सेड इट इज बोलोग्ना?
Yep.
Oh,
That's
lovely.
correct.
And how long is it going to be there, you know, in the exhibition?
It's a 15-20 days event. So for all that long time, the painting is going to be displayed. So from
And what
my
is
side,
this
I've already
painting
sent the
about?
work. So I was traveling. I was in US. So it's a place called Leavenworth in Washington State. Which I was visiting, and it's a beautiful city. So बहुत ही सुंदर जगह थी, and there was a festival going on when I had visited. There were a lot of people around, and honestly, I love to capture the essence of people interacting with their surroundings.
Wow.
So it's a landscape of the place.
Oh, that's beautiful. So usually that's what your forte is in paintings?
Yes.
Oh,
Mostly,
so it's landscape art or freehand work that you do. What category would you put it in if you have to put it into a category?
It's both. Yeah, it's both. So it's always freehand and mostly landscapes. So,
Okay.
but I also like to do human figures. But human figures are
Wow.
You have to keep practicing them, and
Correct.
once you lose the track, then you have to again start. So landscapes are relatively easier in that.
अपने
case.
मम्मी और
So,
पापा
yeah.
को बिठा के रखा है 4-4 घंटे क्या बैठो मैं आप
नहीं. Never tried
आपको
that.
ड्रॉ करता हूँ.
So I have actually tried doing model को जो draw करते हैं. So there is
जी.
a group in Delhi that does it. उनके साथ मैंने वो करा है. But I have never asked any friend or family कि बैठो बनाते हैं.
Any of your artists, like celebrities or maybe a musician that you've tried to, you know, do art of and put it up on your walls? I'm sure you have friends coming and requesting you for that, no? Portrait work.
Yeah, I have actually done a lot. In fact, there is one painting I always wanted to draw, which I did not, which was like Marilyn Monroe का जो pose है ना in the dress.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
उसका मेरे पास एक रेफरेंस इमेज है जो मैंने बहुत पहले कभी प्रिंट निकलवाया था. दैट ओके, आई मेक अ पेंटिंग ऑफ द सेम टॉपिक, बट कभी नहीं बनाया है. बट आई थिंक दैट वुड हैव बीन माय वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पेंटिंग्स व्हेनेवर आई हैपन टू मेक इट.
Oh, nice. So it's on your bucket list, huh? कभी तो करोगे.
Yeah.
That is so good. Now tell me, what's your Insta handle? I want everybody at MMT to go check out your work.
So the Insta handle is little complicated. It's ancora._imparo.
Ooh.
So I think it'll be easier if you search by my name. Luckily, the spelling is such कि आपको बहुत options मिलेंगे नहीं. So there's a public profile and that has all my paintings over there. It's ANCORA
Okay.
._imparo. IMPARO.
All right.
So these are actually this Insta handle name. I took inspiration. These are the last words of Michelangelo. And not really the last words, but like in his later age, like he died at around 80 years of age. So probably when he was 77 or 78 years of age, he had written it in his diary or somewhere. And what it means is I'm still learning art.
And that is so
this
true.
is a person, this is a person who made his masterpieces at an age of like early teenage mein thoda kara, 20s mein. He made all of his famous artworks.
Yeah.
And now when he's dying at an age of 78, 80 years, he's saying, I'm still learning art.
How beautiful, how philosophical. I mean, and that is something that has been told, I think, by everyone, everywhere, especially legends who never stopped learning and who never stopped creating. And that is what is said. Musicians se lekar har koi yahi to kehta hai ki till your last breath, you're learning.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
The Fame Game.
Shreyans Mittal on the show with me today. What a fabulous painter he is, which I've kind of figured going by the kind of work he's done and the fact that his paintings have got picked by international exhibitions. That does speak of good work indeed. So like I did mention earlier, don't forget to check out his Insta handle. Are you ready for wrong answers only now?
Yes.
All right, let's go with the very first one. What's the best drink for a cold day?
Ice cream.
Okay. What's the secret to your success as a painter?
Politics.
How do you book a flight, Shreyans?
Okay, so should I give a wrong answer here?
Of course, wrong answer.
Then I would say booking.com.
Well, that is not the wrong answer. In a way.
That is a wrong answer.
I mean,
I never booked a ticket through booking, so yeah.
All right. What is the color of a bus, a public transport bus?
Petrol.
Where does the sun rise from?
The wall.
What is the capital of India?
Chandni Chowk to China.
Very good. What is your name?
Artist.
Good one. And the last question. What is the earth shaped like?
Diamond.
Oh, not bad. Thank you so much for your time, Shreyans. It was really nice having you on the show and so happy to find out that painting is something that you find recourse in and you have always kept painting to keep up your talent. I think you should keep doing it and that way also inspire others that you can continue investing a time in your talent which can go places. And who knows, you might want to one day just give up on your tech career and be an artist full time. Hai na?
Maybe. But yeah, once I retire, I would love to do it full time. That's for sure.
Well, all the best for all the goals and dreams that you have here at MMT. Do well.
Thank you so much.
Shreyans Mittal on the show with me today. Yes, he's been on the Fame Game and famed for a reason because he's a wonderful artist. Don't forget to check out his Insta handle. Yes, it is a little tricky, the name. Ancora Imparo, or just look for it typing in Shreyans Mittal, which is SHRYANS. Mittal is MITTAL. With that, it's a wrap. I'm going to take your leave. We'll be back. Till then, keep smiling and keep traveling.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.